Did Santa come, Ty?
Where's Ty's boot?
Ty! She's looking for him out the window. Ty, your stocking's right here.
Right here's Maylee.
Does it look like you brought your present?
Santa bring?
This is all your stuff right here, dude. Look what Santa brought.
He brought so much stuff. Whoa.
I got my race car.
Where's your race car? Do you think it's in here? You can open this. This is from Santa.
Mom, look at that. Look at this.
It's a shooter, Ty.
You got a shooter. You want to open that, May? Yeah, I'll open this. Okay, open it. See what it
Open
is.
it quick.
See what Santa brought you. He's brought me a race car.
What is it?
Race car. My race car.
Is that what you got?
Yeah.
Did he know? Did he give it to you?
Yeah.
A blue fast race car.
Grandma. He got it for you.
Okay, what did May get from Santa?
Hey, what'd you get? May got Cinderella.